Our home planet Earth has more events occurring on it than we can imagine. These events involve the living organisms, inanimate structures, things which we can see, those which we can't, events that amaze us, and those which we terrify us. The very formation of our Earth was another massive event. These events bring with it a large number of questions that arise our curiosity to explain or understand the world we live in. The world around us, if you ever wonder what's going on, how these events take place, why is it so? Well done, you are not alone. These questions running the mind of millions of people every second, every day. The answer to all these questions is simple, analyzed in one word: science. Now, probably your next question is, what exactly is science? So, let's understand science is an answer. It is the knowledge that we get when we ask questions. So, if this is you, why do all belonging to anything throw up in the air fall to the ground? The answer in science behind it is gravity. You see, the earth has an attraction to all these objects known as gravity. And this invisible attraction is what keeps us on earth and not float away in the earth. The funny thing is, the gravity occurs always there since the beginning, but it was not understood and explained until not a very long ago by a very inquisitive person who happened to ask a lot of questions. He was very convinced that an apple doesn't fall from the tree, and that's because it fell on his head. Yes, that person was Sir Isaac Newton. So gravity exists even before the apple fell on Newton's head. But it was understood and explained only when Newton decided to ask three fundamental questions: what, how, why. So you see, science involves you and me and everything around us. But we only understand it when we follow a curiosity and ask questions, a lot of questions, and try to find out the answers to them. But many a times, one question can answer one or more than answer. So, there is often more than one theory to explain the science behind each event. Based on our understanding of all events in universe, we can classify science in universe. We can classify science into three main branches: physics, chemistry, and biology. Let us look at what these branches are and how they work in the making of something as simple as lime juice when you are thirsty. Now let's look at this the animation slowly and understand where these branches come into play. This is where physics get into character. Physics is concerned with the force with which you hold the spoon and the motion involved while stirring the juice, fast or slow. It is the branch of science that deals with all types of matter in and beyond the universe, their nature, their properties, and all causes and effects of manipulating them. Then comes the part where all the ingredients start getting mixed to give us lime juice. This is called chemistry. It deals with the reaction between two or more types of matter to form a new type of matter. For example, when hydrogen gas and oxygen are mixed together in an approximate ratio, we get H2O, which is called water. And finally, there is biology. Biology is concerned with how your body can extract the benefits from the juice. It is concerned with all living matter in the universe like plants, animals, and microorganisms, their life processes, and their relationship not only with another but also with the environment in which they exist. If you have been observed, you would have realized that all of these branches, through differently listed, work together in making lime juice. This togetherness of these branches is not only in the case of simply preparing a lime juice, but also in the case of every event that we see, perform, or experience in our lives. Yes, they are like friends who work in harmony.